to you all students. I hope you are taking good care of yourself. I, Nayan Kanti Majumdar, keeping your spirits high, and I hope that you are enjoying your mathematics sessions. So today we are going to start with the chapter number 4, and it is counting in tens. Before to start with this chapter, I request all the parents and students to kindly like and subscribe the YouTube channel by the name Learning with Nayan, so that you can update yourself with the upcoming videos. So now let's start with our today's session. Students, now we are going to form and figure out some bundles on the board with the help of these sticks. So here students, it is written that make bundles of 10. So before to start with this question, can you count how many sticks are there on the board? Yes, so start counting. First is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many sticks are there? 13 sticks are there. And also you know that whenever we have to form a bundle of 10 sticks, so we will count 10 sticks. So how much we will take? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is a group of, or you can say it is a bundle of 10 sticks. So how I will draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is a bundle of 10 sticks. Can you students tell me how many are remaining? Come on, tell me how many are remaining sticks? Yes, 1, 2, 3. So how many sticks are remaining? 1, 2 and 3. So students, as it is a bundle of 10 sticks, so in tens position you will write how many? It is a bundle. How many bundles we have made with 10 sticks? Only 1. So you will write 1 bundle of 10 sticks. And how many is remaining? So this 3 will come in this side. Understood students? So here it is now in total how many sticks are there? There are 13 sticks are there. Understood students? Now let's come to another part. Now students, can you see that there are some flowers drawn on the board? So now in this part also you have to form a bundle of 10 flowers. So how you are start counting, that how you are going to make bundle? So we'll start from first, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So in total how many flowers are there drawn? Yes, so there are 12 flowers drawn on the board. So now can you say that yes, you have 10 flowers on the board? Yes. So we will make a bundle of 10 flowers. Understood students? So here is a bundle of 10 flowers, and bundle of 10 we count as 1. So in tens position, so in tens, and there is another position that is 1. In 10 position, what you will write? You will write only 1. Why? Because a bundle of 10 is considered as 1 in tens position. So how many loose flowers are there? Yes, or you can say how many remaining flowers are there? So there are 2 flowers. So you will write 2 in ones. What you will write? You will write 2 in ones, because they cannot form a bundle of 10. So in total here we have counted how many flowers? 12 flowers, and here also it is 12 flowers, but we have differentiated in the form of tens and ones. Understood students? Now in this part, can you see that there are so many sticks drawn on the board? So start counting and making a bundle of 10 sticks. So start counting that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So we will make first bundle. So how we will make? Whenever I have already told you that whenever we have to form a bundle of 10, we will take 10 sticks in our count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it one bundle of 10 sticks. Now here you can say more sticks are there. So start counting and make another bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it is another bundle of 10 sticks. And how many loose sticks are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 loose sticks are there. So with this you can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a bundle of 10 sticks. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also it is a bundle of 10 sticks. And how many are remaining? Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many sticks are remaining? 5 sticks are remaining. So students, now I want to write in tens and ones. So how I am going to write? In tens position, how much I will write? So how many bundles of 10? This is 1 and this is 2. So in tens position you will write 2 bundles of 10. And how many are loose? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in ones position you will write 5. So in total, how many sticks are there on the board? There are 25 sticks drawn on the board. And how many tens are there? There are 2 tens are there, as they form a bundle of 10 sticks each. And how many is loose? How many are loose sticks? Yes, so there are 5 loose sticks are there. I hope you have understood. So students, we will now jump into another type of question, and this question is interesting. So in this, I have drawn some sticks on the board and you have to form a bundle of 10 sticks. So start counting. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Students, I have taught you that we can form a bundle with 10 sticks. But here there are only 7 sticks. So to form a bundle or to make a bundle of 10, how much I will add? Can you tell me, students? Yes. So I will add 3 more sticks to form a bundle of 10. So in this part, I have asked you that I have already how much sticks? 7 sticks. To form a bundle of 10, how much I will require? So this required part introduces with a concept of addition. Here I am already having 7 sticks. Now to form a bundle of 10, sir has added how much? 3 sticks. So it means that I have added, or I have joined something. So with this concept, sir has added 3 more sticks. So 7 plus 3, how much? Yes, there are 10 sticks. So now you can say that it is a bundle of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now students, you can say that it is a bundle of 10 sticks. Understood students? Okay, let's take another example. In this, how many sticks are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So to make a bundle of 10 sticks, how much I will require? I will require 5 sticks more. So in this part there are you that how much should I add in these 5 sticks so that I can form a bundle of 10. So how much I have added in this? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in 5, how much sticks sir has added? Yes, sir has added 5 sticks more to form a bundle of 10. So now you can say that it is again a bundle of 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now it is a bundle of 10. I hope you have understood the concept of addition now onwards. Very good.
After this class, don't forget to wash your hands.